Hi everyone! Welcome back to the channel. Today I've got a super easy and delicious recipe for you. No cooking required. I'm making a rich and creamy chocolate pudding using just a few wholesome ingredients. Let's get started. For this recipe, you'll need just 4 ingredients. 4 tablespoons of cocoa powder. This is what gives our pudding that deep, rich chocolate flavor. 6 large medjool dates. These add natural sweetness without any refined sugar. 6 tablespoons of chia seeds. Not only are these tiny seeds packed with nutrients, but they also help thicken our pudding. 2 cups of any unsweetened plant-based milk. I'm using my own homemade cashew milk. You can find the recipe for it on my channel. The first step is to soak the pitted dates in hot water for about 20 minutes to soften them. Once the dates are soft, drain them and combine all the ingredients in a blender. Process for 2 to 3 minutes or until the mixture is smooth and creamy, like this. Easy! Now, pour your pudding into serving cups or jars. You can either enjoy it as is or add toppings of your choice. You can add some coconut chunks. These bring a tropical vibe and a nice bit of crunch, along with a nutty flavor that complements the chocolate so well. Another option is berries. I have strawberries here. These add a burst of natural sweetness, juicy texture and bright color that contrasts beautifully with the rich, dark pudding. Now for something a little different, a sprinkle of orange zest. This brightens up the entire dish with its zesty, citrusy notes. It's vibrant, sophisticated, and absolutely delicious. Finally, chocolate mint that I was lucky to get from my sister's garden. This adds a refreshing twist with a hint of cool mint. It's like enjoying a chocolate dessert with a breath of fresh air. These toppings make the pudding look gorgeous, adding layers of flavor and texture, making each bite a delightful experience. In addition, this chocolate pudding is very nutritious. It is an excellent source of fiber, magnesium, iron, and omega-3 fatty acids. And there you have it, an easy, no-cook chocolate pudding that is not only delicious, but also good for you. If you enjoyed this recipe, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and I hope to see you in the next one.